There's been a lot of uncertainty as to how much government support Huarong would get. Does this give us a bit more of an indication as to what their fate is looking like?
Yeah, Heidi, particularly for their offshore dollar bonds, which Huarong has about 20 billion US dollars still outstanding. So it gives us some clarity, at least in the near term. The ICBC, as you say, China's biggest bank, then riding to the rescue, at least temporarily, helping them to pay back this 600 million Singapore dollar bond that was due on Tuesday. But there remains that uncertainty about what the longer-term plan is, because we haven't had any clarity from the Finance Ministry or indeed the banking regulator as to what the longer-term plan is. We know, of course, that earlier this week, Fitch came and downgraded the credit rating by 3 levels for Huarong, precisely because there was a lack of transparency, and that also followed the announcement that Huarong would be failing to meet that deadline for publishing its earnings results. So we are now looking for more details once again. Investors will be scrutinising whatever they hear from regulators, but there is a bit of near-term relief then for Huarong. It does add urgency, you would thought as well, for push and calls here in Beijing by some regulators, including the deputy of the PBOC, Deputy Governor, who came out and said, we need urgent reform of the financial regulatory framework here to simplify the process, because you have so many different actors with different stakes and different regulatory rules at play, and it's making it all very complicated indeed.